So we
Kaya nga
are
nagtataka kasi yung ating mga OFW kung bakit ganyan samantalang yung mga gobyerno doon sa Middle East tumutulong naman at halos cost na lang daw binibigay. Alam nila yan, trabaho sila sa airline Kaya nagtataka sila. Kung pwede, nananawagan tayo sa mga oil companies na mag-unbundle ng kanilang price increases at nananawagan rin tayo sa DMW na i-unbundle itong mga cost ng ticket. Kasi pakiwari ng ilang OFW, sila pa yung ginagamit na kumita, na magkurakot. Pangit po yung dating Patulong na lang sagutin ng ating mga
Yes, ma'am.
OFW. Kasi nga, sabi nila, wala pa sa 60,000 pesos yung ticket dati, bakit naging 190? Wag naman daw ganon. Parang labis-labis. May I call on Hans Kakdak, please, the Secretary for Migration?
Yes po, ma'am.
Yes, ang balita marami na rin nakauwi. Narinig namin na nagkaroon ng flight from the Emirates and another flight from Dubai. Tama po ba?
Yes po, ma'am. We had an 8 charter and one arriving this afternoon. Yes
So,
po, ma'am. Yes, there were a 9
Bali
charter
ikatlo?
We have had 9 charters and of course, pero din hong commercial flights, sinasabayan ng commercial flights yung charter, so around 5,400 po.
Okay, can we please be provided with the breakdown of those flights and the numbers
Yes po, ma'am. Yes
that
po, ma'am.
were involved? Marami po kasi nagre-reklamo, katutak yung reklamo ng ating mga OFW na pineperahan daw ng gobyernong ito ang kanilang mga tiket kung paano daw nangyari na 190 pesos kada repatriation from the Middle East to the Philippines, samantalang tumutulong yung Emirates government, pati yung Dubai, lahat tumutulong. Bakit times 3 daw yung pera? 65.36 million ang gagastusin. Hindi pa tapos ang issue sa Public Works Flood Control. Eto na naman kayo, wag naman sana pati kami gamitin. Ang dai-dai pong email, ang dami-dami ring reklamo. Pakipaliwanag bakit lumobo ng labis-labis, parating sinasabi yung fuel cost. Hindi naman nag-times 3 ang airline ticket at yung insurance hindi rin nag-times 3. Bakit sa DMW nag-times 3?
Ma'am, yung pong charter ticket per person runs up to a range of 96,000 to 127,000 per person. We charter a plane out of a Dubai charter company. Again, we have had the 8th one, the 9th coming in today. Chartering is our deemed method to bring people home faster. Dahil po dito, in a span of 5 to 6 weeks, nakapagpauwi po tayo ng 5,400 OFWs and their dependents. It will entail a cost, ma'am, to charter a flight. If we did this commercially, there's only one airline out of Dubai, and that's EK. It will take a bit more time. Ang estimate namin, maybe 3 to 4 weeks to bring in the same amount we brought in through charter. But having said that, ma'am, with the current ceasefire, nag-open up na yung seats. So we
Kaya nga
are...
nagtataka kasi yung ating mga OFW kung bakit ganyan samantalang yung mga gobyerno doon sa Middle East tumutulong naman at halos cost na lang daw binibigay. Alam nila yan, trabaho sila sa airline Kaya nagtataka sila. Kung pwede, nananawagan tayo sa mga oil companies na mag-unbundle ng kanilang price increases at nananawagan rin tayo sa DMW na i-unbundle itong mga cost ng ticket. Kasi pakiwari ng ilang OFW, sila pa yung ginagamit na kumita, na magkurakot. Pangit po yung dating
Hindi po, ma'am. Rest assured, there has been proper procurement of these chartered flights under the emergency procurement provisions of the Act of the Government Procurement Law, and there has been arm's length negotiation with the Dubai Charter Company, as mentioned. It is a reputable charter company, as clearly shown with the safe return of more or less over 4,000 OFWs. Rest assured, ma'am, we are always open to audit, have been since day one. But rest assured, ma'am, bukas po ang mga libro natin in terms of any investigation on the costing. As I said, chartering has always been the fastest way to bring people home. And that is the reason why we resorted to chartering. Having said that, ma'am, again, we are partnering this with commercial flights which are beginning to open up. PAL will now start landing, as we understand, in the Middle East. So this will vastly help po, ma'am, sa pagpapababa ng costing natin. But the short answer, ma'am, is we are open always to audit and
Napakaraming reklamo, no? Patulong na lang sagutin ng ating mga
Yes, ma'am.
OFW. Kasi nga, sabi nila, wala pa sa 60,000 pesos yung ticket dati, bakit naging 190? Wag naman daw ganon. Parang labis-labis. Marami pang magtatanong,